morning, bikers. So now it's New Year 2018, and once again, Happy New Year to everyone. So since it's a new year, so what do you guys have any New Year resolutions, like getting a new bike this year, and what bike you're getting, or an upgrade, or even a downgrade? Recently I have a lot of friends getting a Kapchai or a moped as their secondary ride. So as a result, now they ride Kapchai more often than riding their big bike. Not sure if it's a trend now. So they even tried to convince me into getting one, but hell no, man. I don't even have much time. I mean, I ride less nowadays, so I don't think I'll be utilizing if Kapchai, if I get a small bike as a secondary ride. So I guess I'm sticking to my MT-09 for now. So today it's a beautiful Saturday morning, and the weather has been crazy recently. Luckily I have a good sunny weather today for my special little project. You know, I have a cut at the bottom of my seat, which I will show you later when I reach the shop. So I guess it's a result of wear and tear. So I guess I should just go and patch it up. I wouldn't say patch it up, but I'm going to give my seat a set of new skin. So I'm gonna wrap it, and hope it's going to look nice, like a new seat for a new year. Yeah, I cannot afford to get a new set of seat like those aftermarket seats. So I'm going for a cheaper alternative. I'm going to look for this shop in Shah Alam, where it's famous for modifying seat cushion for motorbikes, be it Kapchai or big bike. So I hope it is open today, since it's on Saturday. I hope it's not another Potong steam trip like the last one. And sorry for not using motor lane, because I think I missed the entrance. Lane filtering on a busy expressway is not really a good option, you see. You have fast cars, you have slow cars, you have big trucks, lorries. Whew. It's not going to make your ride any exciting. Let's see if I can make it into the bike lanes to give you guys a perspective of how the bike lanes in Malaysia. I guess no, because they are fixing something here. So there's no bike lane here, and I end up, see, no bike lane. I end up taking a detour and stuck in a traffic light. Bad judgment. So who are you going to blame? You see, if law-abiding bikers wanted to use a bike lane, but there's no bike lane available, and then you have no choice but to use the expressway, and car drivers blame you for it. Difficult life, eh? Such a busy traffic today this morning. Okay, laluan masuk 300 meter. Lane entrance ahead. Wow, I guess they have widened the bike lane. You have a fast and slow lane here now on the bike lane. You see, it's good to have a bike lane and use it if possible. Check out the traffic. It's not even wise to do lane filtering. It's bumper to bumper traffic. Crazy, man. Well, I guess they paved the bike lane already. Check out the new tar and see the example of a big bike using the expressway, but it's not going any faster. But you have to be extra careful with the bike lane, because sometimes, you know, there may be a road hazard ahead. So don't try to go too fast. It's narrow and you're sharing it with other motorists. And some may have sharp corners too. What the fuck is this guy doing? Running on a bike track? This is a fucking no-no, man. This is really fucking crazy. the map first before I go for another detour. I got my location mark on my Waze. Should be the first exit of the underpass. Great sound, man. I hope my mic is picking it up. I guess this is the exit I have to make. Section 22. So it should be somewhere around here. Ya, saya nak balut saja.
Balut saja.
Yang. So this is the shop where they do all the customizations. Where I'll show you where's the cut. Yeah, see, this is the cut. Sudah koyak sini, so nak balut balik. Ni koyak, so nak balut balik lah. Ini nak balut semua kan. Kita kena buka dan balut sekali lagi.
Okay, gambar.
Ni untuk YouTube.
Dengan YouTube lah.
So bagi lebih banyak orang tahu lah tempat ni.
Lepas tu tak boleh tahan buat kerja.
So after 3 hours or 4 hours wait, this is my new seat. Very good workmanship. I didn't modify the cushion, I just only changed the skin of my seat. You don't feel any different because I didn't top up cushion, things like that. But just now I met fellow MT-09 bikers who modified the cushion. He managed to make it thicker for the front and pillion seat, which I think should be more comfortable. And the price of the modification is surprisingly acceptable. It's only 250 ringgit for the modifications. It gave you, it top up the new cushion for you, and it also changed the skin for you for 250 ringgit, which I think is very reasonable. And if you get the ready-made modified seat for MT-09, I think it's easily 1,600 ringgit for one. And for this one, you take your original seat and you get it modified for only 250 ringgit. And as for mine, only change of skin is only cost me 80 ringgit. Well, if you are interested in getting your seat modified, I'll leave the link in the description box and you can check it out. But bear in mind, it will be a long wait, so if possible I advise you to come during weekday instead of Saturday. Okay guys, till next time, I'll see you guys again. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Bye.